Are you seeing, and do you know what the number 626 means to you? Angel number 626 is indicative of a bold and charismatic personality, as well as one that is focused on social and family life, kind, protective, and caring. The number 626 is associated with individualism, versatility, sensuality, brilliance, vision and courage, self-esteem, and a constructive outlook. This number is warmth, affection, love, dedication, kindness, diplomacy, peace and harmony are some of the values that this symbol represents. Blessings, and we appreciate your faithful company. Each time we are people providing love and good energy to everyone. Follow me to see the messages that the angels have for you.